Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah.
There we go. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. 6 people in here. Only 2 likes. There should be 6 people, 6 likes. By the way, we got a poll going on. Is this it or is this not it? That is the question. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see on the chart, we are right now doing this over here, which is very, very nice. And just a little bit earlier today, we are all the way up here at these tops. And, you know, in the last, you know, couple of, 2-3 hours, when is the 4-hourly close? 2 hours and, you know. But yeah, right over here, suddenly, bam, right back down again. Kind of expected that move. I've been on a lot of, I've been at work today, you know, and when there's not much to do at work, what do? Well, I browse X, look at a post, and I did notice sudden shift. Literally everybody suddenly shift, like on the dime, they bullish. Suddenly everybody's like, just a prank, bro, we're going up, just a prank. Man, the FUD I posted yesterday, that was just a prank. Just a prank, bro. I don't know if this is it or not, but you know, we'll see. It's nice that we are in green. Right now, Bitcoin is 1.33% in green, so it is nice. But nothing is decided just yet. But been looking at this channel. Now this is inverted channel, of course. Somebody yesterday or the day before that, on the last stream, I did this and I told them that, sorry, not this, on the weekly time frame. I did this and told them, we got a bear flag over here, and he's like, oh man, that's a bull flag. So I told him that this is over here is a bear flag or something, and he says it's a bull flag. Doesn't matter. It's a bear flag, but you know it's inverted, so it's a bull flag technically, right? Anyways, on 1 hourly over here. Right now, let me find the chart, this one. So this is inverted chart. The real chart looks something like this over here. So I expect this move towards upside. Over here we have a couple of breakouts. 1 breakout, 2 breakout, 3rd breakout, 4th breakout. And you can see the respect. You can see the respect on the line. So, you know, the channel is pretty much very, very nice. And in this last move over here, when we failed to, break over here, I was thinking, you know, this looks very, very good. Now, for you guys following the channel, you know I'm bullish. Been bullish. You know, that said, a lot of people were not bullish. And, you know, just yesterday, everybody was posting very, very bad things about Bitcoin. Very, very bad things about Bitcoin. And I was thinking the same kind of thing. It looks bad. Right? I mean, you gotta think that, right? It looks really, really bad. So over here, we're gonna go to the logarithmic chart, and I was thinking, you know, I mean, this first pump, you know, started really nice, and you know, from the last time high, you explode towards upside. But every single time, the pumps have been less and less, and you can see over here right now less. And not only that, we came to the last. So you know, what if this time around we only come over here and just, you know, continue going down over here? I mean, everybody thinks that. It's really easy to be bearish right now because everybody thinks that. What if right now? Because you can see up here the distance. You know, it's getting lower and lower, and over here, you know, very, very small distance, but maybe there is no distance as well. So, you know, maybe we go down, and everybody's mega bearish right now, or at least they were. Like 5 hours ago, everybody was mega bearish. They were probably thinking about selling, you know, just going to vacation, just forgetting about Bitcoin. Bitcoin dead, cryptos dead, nothing is working. Literally no news. 2 hours ago, once we started pumping, suddenly everybody was like, again, bro, just a prank. Pranking us. Anyways, now that we are, you know, moving a little bit in the right direction over here, I just want to say it's not done just yet. Unfortunately, not just done yet. We'll see over here if we double the move. The fact that we are actually failing to break down over here is actually very, very good. So I think that there is a good chance to go all the way up here to, you know, something like, you know, 58, 59K. Maybe even to, you know, almost 60K up here. Let's say 60K up here towards the upside because of these stops over here. There is a very good chance for that. But we still need to break up here, especially this line over here, this midline. Is very, very important. So if you can break the midline, I will be very, very happy, chap. On the daily time frame, now let's keep this one over here, and let's go to this one. On the daily time frame, what we have on Bitcoin right now is nothing. We are having the box. That's it. We got the box, right? We broke down over here. We trying to push it still. We're still trying to push it down over here, but you know, it kind of doesn't work out. So if this box holds, this looks like it just might actually break up again. So how far do we have to get out to, you know, end this this move over here? I think the move goes something like this over here. The channel, this last part over here goes something like that. And I was looking a little bit at that, and I'm thinking, you know, something like this over here. So you see right now, even with this move in the last couple hours, this pump on the small time frames that we are actually breaking up here, right? The small pump that we are actually breaking up here. It's not done just yet. Unfortunately, it's not done just yet. And this, you know, if you can call this any kind of channel, we need still to get outside of this box. So there is a box over here. This box needs to break. We need to get up inside the channel, and the target up here should be around 68K. Again, back at 68K. But if you get back at that 68K and the top of the channel, I think we are gonna break the bigger weekly channel. Not quite sure about that, but now it is exactly on the channel, so we need still to go higher than that. You see up here. So if you do manage to get out of this box over here inside the channel, there is a very good chance to go to top of the box, but you know, we are still in the channel over here again. Anyways, it is good that we are in the channel. So far so good, right? I've been looking also at Bitcoin dominance, and Bitcoin dominance is doing well. Now, it's not doing well in a way that, you know, this is going up to 60K. Benjamin Cohen thinks it's going to go to 60K. Our target is, you know, the blue box, still the blue box over here. But this part over here looks like it wants to break down. Over here is resistance. There is also a channel up here. We might see a move up here all the way to 58K and then move down. But this thing oftentimes, you know, just breaks down. So you're going to see how this plays out. If Bitcoin goes first, it might just, you know, pop up here a little bit. Maybe even, you know, 60K. I don't actually know that. But if Bitcoin pops up, the dominance might actually, we might see a move in dominance first up and then down once altcoins get these, what are you gonna say? Once altcoins get, you know, confidence to move, then we'll see a move down on the dominance part. Right now, not quite there yet, but we are tapping this, you know, resistance over here, the blue box. Are we gonna go over here higher? Very probable, but eventually, it doesn't matter if it does this or just this over here. It's still going down, you know. However you look at it, the move is towards downside eventually. Very, very close to that. Ethereum is up 2 point something%. You can see up here also the same kind of, almost the same kind of channel on Ethereum, but you know, there is this bigger channel up here. So right now this move needs to get inside this channel and then out, and it is only the very first move. It is actually managed to hold. So you're gonna see that Ethereum Bitcoin chart up here, down here at the bottom of the channel. This is a bigger channel on the weekly time frame. And you know, I gotta tell you guys, right over here on this bullish engulfing candle, I thought that was it. I thought we are gonna go over here. That was a failed call. We didn't do that. Not only didn't we do that, we crashed so hard back down to the bottom again. Close the monthly candle. What did I press right now? Close the monthly candle all the way down to the bottom, on the bottom of the channel. And right now we're just zigzagging there. Are we gonna get some kind of bullish engulfing over here? Now we do have 26 days left, so you know there is a very good chance for that. But we need to wait and see. Let me see the moving averages up here. The best case scenario is, you know, bullish engulfing candle above this 10 moving average. That is the best bullish case, the way I see it. But Ethereum is doing okay, technically doing okay. It is down by a lot, 2.4 down here. There are two major resistance levels, this blue box over here and this blue box over here. There was the major resistance level. We broke technically below both of them. You can see up here how we managed to get above the first, you know, blue box. Pull back, tried to hold above that, managed to hold the support, failed that, broke down, right down below both of the boxes. And right now we're down at the bottom of 20 moving average down here at the bottom. But, you know, technically it looks good. Also, not that over here, the DXY is down at these bottoms over here, so it is at support level. There is a very good chance for a bounce over here before it actually goes down more, right? So there is a good chance for more bounce before it actually goes down more. And lately, these couple last days, I've been seeing a lot of talk on X that stock market, like 1 trillion wiped out of the stock market, you know, because movement down. Stock market down, you know, 1 trillion, you know, just imagine if it does this, you know, how many trillions are gonna be wiped out. It's all FUD, guys, it's all FUD. Anytime you see any kind of, what I'm gonna say, you see any kind of, you know, post about, you know, this many, you know, people got liquidated, this many, you know, trillions got, you know, removed from the stock market or from crypto market or whatever, it's just FUD. It's there to scare you, to make headlines. I don't know. I don't see a stock market just yet being at the top, especially if you look at a monthly time frame over here. Yes, it's starting going towards downside over here. It might continue over here towards downside, but it is very, very high. Let me see over here a little bit. Yeah, there is no divergence on the monthly time frame. Is there divergence up here? There is no divergence on the monthly time frame. There is a little bit weakening, a little bit weakening up here at the top in the momentum going on, but nothing serious just yet. And this is on Dow Jones. Let's go to monthly time frame up here. Over here there is actually not much. I want to see this stop and this stop, how they are reacting over here. So let me squeeze them a little bit more. There is definitely huge divergence over here going on right now. This on Nasdaq. So we might be coming to, you know, some kind of top up here. Big huge divergence. Momentum also going down. We still don't have the cross, so, you know, might take a little bit time. You know, the momentum is still towards the upside. And over here as well, when it comes to the stock market, S&P 500, we got a big divergence up here, big momentum loss, but this momentum loss can continue towards upside, and this can actually continue towards upside as well. A little bit too early to call the stock market and say that, you know, it is over. The same thing goes over here on the Dow Jones, also the momentum loss, the RSI. But I won't quite call just yet. Vladislav, how you doing, man? GPI will bring us the neutral floor. How is GPY doing? That is GPY. I remember looking at this also on monthly time frame. So last time we looked at, it was just breaking up here. And you can see right now it is going towards upside. So GPY is pumping. And last time we looked at GPY was down here because somebody in the chat was, you know, big long on GPY. So GPY definitely looks like it might actually continue towards upside. Now, I have absolutely no clue why GPY is important to us or not. Or why we should, you know, we guys in crypto, why we should care about GPY. But, you know, there is that. Nvidia Corporation, last 2 days, I don't know how long, maybe last 2 days. Nvidia has been dumping down big time, especially over here. There's a gap over here. It's just been dumping down, and there is some kind of thing is people are posting Nvidia has been subpoenaed by somebody. I don't know, ICC, CCC, some 3-letter agency or something like that. And I don't know why, but everybody's saying it's bad, and I don't know why it's bad. GPI free fuel for stocks. Now it's done. You think GPY is done? I think this is gonna go higher. I don't know about you, I think this is gonna go higher. And this, you know, 2 months time frame, monthly time frame up here. So if GPY is free fuel for stocks and this goes up, does that mean the stock is gonna go up? If this goes up, will stocks go down? If this goes down, will stocks go up and down? Like, how is this correlated with GPY up, stocks down? Okay. In reverse, okay. So I think this is gonna go up, and that means that stocks are gonna go down. Could be, not saying that. I'm a little bit unsure whether stocks are done or not, but we are quite high though. USD GPY. I got GPY USD. I mean, it's the same thing. USD GPY. USD GPY. Forex. It's same chart. You just in opposite direction, right? So if the USD goes down versus Japanese thing, so the stocks go up or down. If this goes down, because right now we've been looking at GPY USD. So if dollar goes down, dollar versus Japanese, it goes down, do stocks goes up or down? If this goes up, do stocks go up or down? Because this is not the same as the GPY. If the dollar GPY goes down, do the stock market go up or down? That's the question. Today we're drinking milkshake. You got a whole bunch of these. When you got kids, you gotta, you know, you got this kind of stuff at your house all the time. I don't know. How is Norwegian krona doing? Norwegian krona against the Norwegian krona is about to pop hard towards upside. Look at this curvature, man. Look at this curvature. Isn't this most beautiful curvature up here? I mean, right now, the Norwegian crown is about to explode over here towards upside. Like, this is beautiful. And this on the monthly time frame, you know, you gotta go like 2020 up here. Like, this is beautiful. Maybe I moved down before up, but you know, overall towards upside. Just break S&P chart on. Okay, let's do that, man. Indexes. So let's see. Do we have an inversion over here? So this goes all the way back to 1990 or something like that. So this goes down, this goes up, this goes up, this goes very high up, this goes down, this goes still up. I mean, we can say something like this over here, right? The problem is when the dollar goes up and the stock market goes up at the same time, right? So this is the problem, right? Because after that you get these crashes, right? So over here this goes down and this goes up, which is fine, and then this goes up and this goes up as well, and then and then this goes down, and then this part goes towards upside, and then this goes high up, and then this goes high up, and you can see over here again, no, not over here, this is one time where there wasn't, and then this went down a little bit, this went down a little bit as well, and right now it's doing this, and it's doing this up here, so we gotta pull back over here a little bit down, like there is no inversion. I don't see inversion. Maybe I'm just blind, but I don't see inversion. It's not that correlated, at least not the way I see it, so there's that. So the big question is, will Bitcoin actually manage to hold these levels or not? That's the big question. Anyways, I'm kind of bullish. Been bullish for a while. Still bullish. Nothing's changed. Remove this one. And inverse the chart and put it on the 4 hourly because it's easier to see. And you'll see that this move over here was a bullish engulfing candle. Technically not bullish engulfing candle, but bullish candle above the 10 and 20 moving average. And right now it's pulling back a little bit, but the fact that it did this move over here, it's very, very bullish. Still need to do a little bit, moves like we said over here towards the upside. But it's starting to look good. And, it is really interesting to see how people go from bearish to bullish in span of hours, minutes, seconds, on the dime, as soon as we start pumping a little bit. And right now, yesterday, every single, YouTube channel that I watched, and I watched a lot of yesterday, has been bearish. There has been very, very little bullishness, if any, yesterday. And I'll bet you everything I have right now that any kind of YouTube channel you watch from tonight, they'll be talking about hopium and bullishness, and this is good, and recovery, and September is gonna be better. For GPYUSD you watched first. Doesn't matter. We don't care about that. What about ETH-BTC? Yeah, we just went a little bit about ETH-BTC. It is at the bottom. Ethereum, Bitcoin, it is about, it is all the way down there. Let's go to the monthly time frame. But like I just said, I've been wrong about this before, but we are still in the same channel that we've been, going on since, September 2020 over here. And I remember when this happened over here, we managed to get a bullish engulfing candle above the resistance level. I was like, this is it, guys, this is it. We're going up here or here or here, and then we went down, right? So but over here it was the way I see it. Over here at the top, at the resistance, even though it was very close to breaking towards the upside, it had probability to go down, right? But right now that we are down, it has a higher probability to actually go up from over here, which is good. Eventually, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. Bitcoin don't have that much upside. As soon as Bitcoin goes, altcoins explode, Ethereum explodes, everything's gonna have higher upside than Bitcoin. That means that, Bitcoin dominance will eventually, drop down, eventually. Total 3 right now, pulling back up here for a while. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Still inside this channel up here, managing to hold this, maybe managing to hold this mid channel. But, still overall, we're still going down. This might just be, the baby steps, first move for Bitcoin right now, where it needs to, get above certain levels to become strongly bullish right now. But, we are already bullish, and somebody asked me, when will I become bearish? How can you become bearish when you see charts like these, man? Look at altcoins, literally any kind of altcoin you click, look at down here at the bottoms, it's so low, it's okay, everything but Kaspa. Everything is so low down here. Look at the KDA. Look at this doji down at the bottom over here, the green doji over here. Right now, it's how can you be bearish? The thing is, when chart is moving towards upside, you should be becoming increasingly bearish, not more and more bullish. And when the chart is going towards the downside, you should go for increasingly more bullish than bearish. So when the chart is doing this move, we are getting increasingly more bullish over time. And when it starts doing this over here, we're going to get increasingly more and more bearish over time. So it's a little bit inverted. If you get that right, I think we're going to be fine. All right. Go down, we bullish. We go up, we bearish. Same. Anyways, guys. Anyway, Vladislav, it's only me and you here, man. You know, I just want to jump on and talk a little bit about charts. So there is that, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of excitement about my channel or crypto right now. So, you know, we'll end it here. And, you know, thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Don't believe the FUD. 99.999% of people out there, you know, they're just repeating whatever they see. You know, they are, you know, human emotions. FUD here, they spread FUD. Euphoria there, they spread euphoria. So don't fall for it. Maybe we go down. I don't know just yet. But, you know, I still remain, you know, largely bullish. Very, very bullish. And I'm still watching this channel up here. But I like to watch this channel inverted. Because I recognize this pattern. And these patterns oftentimes tend to break down. So right now, I'm not just watching the channel because the channel is breaking. I'm watching this bottom over here. So if you go over here below this bottom up here, 59.1 or something like that. I think we're good. I think we're good. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Bye-bye. Med love.